Dear students, welcome to our final science revision episode. This is a final revision episode. So prepare a paper, a pen, and in the first group of questions, please, I want to have the periodic table in front of you. Let's start. Fill in the blanks. Who corrected the atomic mass of some elements which were estimated wrongly? Remember, I'm talking about the atomic mass. Who corrected the atomic mass? Mendeleev. So Mendeleev organized elements by their, while Moseley arranged elements in an ascending order according to their. We have a difference between, if you remember, between Mendeleev and Moseley's periodic tables. Mendeleev organized elements by their atomic masses, while Moseley arranged elements in an ascending order according to their atomic numbers. An element located in period 3 and group 3 in the periodic table has atomic number equals to 13. Transition elements start to appear from period number 4. The strongest metal is located in group 1A, remember the first group, while the weakest non-metal is located in group 7A. Now try to locate the following elements in the periodic table. Group 0, period 3. This is argon. This is nitrogen. Group 5A, period 2. This is helium. Group 0, period 1. What is group 0? Yes, it's the group for noble gases. Sometimes we call it group 18. What is the result of studying X-ray properties by Moseley? What happened after Moseley studying X-ray properties? Simply he discovered that the periodicity of elements were related to their atomic numbers, not to their atomic masses, as Mendeleev believed. What is the result of difference of electronegativity between hydrogen and oxygen atoms in water that is more than that between hydrogen and nitrogen atoms in ammonia? This will simply make the water more polar or with more polarity than the polarity of ammonia. Now try to arrange the following elements in a descending order. Magnesium, potassium, sodium. Yes, potassium first, sodium, and then magnesium. This is according to their reactivity. Give an example for basic oxide. Yes, magnesium oxide is an example for a basic oxide. Polar covalent compound. The most popular example is water. Now give reason why. Sodium fires are not put off with water. Do you remember the video for the reaction of sodium with water? So this is because sodium reacts instantly with water and hydrogen gas evolves. If I will try to put water on sodium fire, it will make it increase. It will not put it off. Why do you think cesium is considered to be the weakest alkaline metal? This is because it has the largest atomic size. Therefore, it loses its valency easily. Now, fill in the blanks. Water molecules are linked together by which type of bond? Yes, hydrogen bond. While which bond link oxygen and hydrogen atoms together? Covalent bond. Which bond is responsible for the unique properties of water? The hydrogen bond between water molecules. During water electrolysis, the ratio between the produced hydrogen gas and oxygen gas is We said before that the hydrogen is double the oxygen, so 2 to 1. Pollution of water causes infection of farmers with bilharzia. Which type? Which type of pollution of water? Biological. The increase of temperature of some water areas used in cooling nuclear reactors causes thermal pollution. If we are talking about increase in temperature, so of course this is called thermal. Look at the following figure. Look at this figure and answer the following questions. What is the name of the apparatus? What do you think? This is called Hoffman voltameter. And what is the use of it? It is used for electrolysis of acidified water. Can you write a balanced chemical equation for water electrolysis? Yes. We put water and under the effect of an electric current, hydrogen and oxygen are separated. Which gas is produced at the anode? It's the oxygen. And which gas is produced at the cathode? It's the hydrogen. What is the volume of the produced gas that burns with a pop sound? If the volume of the other gas is 6 centimeter cube, we all know that the gas that burns with a pop sound is the hydrogen. So this means that oxygen is 6 centimeter cube and hydrogen, as we know, is double the oxygen. So it is 12 centimeter cube. What is the result of storing tap water in plastic bottles? Is it harmful? Yes, it is, because this will result in increase in cancer disease because plastic will react with chlorine gas. What will happen as a result of increase of mercury concentration in drinking water? This will cause blindness. Now, fill in the blanks. Normal atmospheric pressure at sea level is equal to, yes, 1013.25 millibar. Meteors burn in the which atmospheric layer? Remember M? Meteors, mesosphere. Airplanes navigate in the lower part of the stratosphere. No clouds, no weather changes, and horizontal air movement, if you remember. Which layer contains 99% of atmospheric water vapor? The first layer, troposphere. The thickness of the ozone is measured in Dobson. Free oxygen atom combines with an oxygen molecule to produce ozone molecule. One oxygen atom with an oxygen molecule forming ozone molecule. What are examples for pollutants of ozone layer? We can say chlorofluorocarbon compounds, halogens, and nitrogen oxides. Infrared waves have a chemical effect? No. Infrared waves have a thermal effect. Give reason why. Why do ozone layer is present in stratosphere? I think we said before that stratosphere has suitable amount of oxygen gas that will meet the ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun. Why do the atmospheric pressure decrease as the elevation or the altitude above sea level increases? If you remember that we said as we go up, the density of air decreases. So as the altitude increases, the density of air decreases. It's inversely proportional. That's why the weight of the air column is not so high. So atmospheric pressure decreases as well. Why stratosphere is suitable for airplanes navigation? Yes, it's devoid of clouds and weather disturbances, and the air movement in stratosphere is horizontal. Now let's solve this problem together. If the air temperature at the base of the mountain is 13 degrees Celsius, calculate the temperature at the top of the mountain if its height is 2 kilometers. So what is needed? The temperature at the top of the mountain. And remember the rule, air temperature decreases at a rate 6.5 degrees Celsius for each 1 kilometer height. So for each kilometer, there is a decrease 6.5. So 6.5 times 2 kilometers, this is the height, equal 13. So the temperature of the base, or at the base, 13, minus 13, the change in the temperature. So the temperature at the top of the mountain equal 0 degree Celsius. Now fill in the blanks. Petrified wood was formed by replacing the original wood material part by part with which kind of mineral? Yes, silica. An impression of the original organism outer shape. If I'm talking about the outer shape only, it's known as cast. Whole bodies of the organisms can be preserved in snow or amber. What and what are the most important causes of recent extinction? This is up to you. For me, they are overhunting and environmental pollution. And this is a bird considered to be an endangered species, the bald eagle, which is the first protectorate in Egypt. Ras Muhammad is in South Sinai. What and what are old living organisms that became extinct? They do not exist anymore. They are old living organisms. So dinosaurs and mammoth. Now can you remove the odd word and then connect the other words to form a proper statement or a proper sentence? Here is bald eagle, dodo bird, quagga. What do you think? Which is odd? Yes, the bald eagle. Because dodo bird and quagga are extinct species in the recent time. They do not exist anymore. Number 2, panda bears, rhinoceros, bald eagle, and dodo bird. Which is odd? Dodo bird. Because panda bears, rhinoceros, and bald eagle are endangered species. They still exist. Give reason why. Desert ecosystem is severely affected by the absence of one of its species. I think we said that the desert ecosystem is a simple ecosystem, so no alternative when one of the species is absent to compensate. Number 2, petrified woods look like rocks, but they are fossils. Yes, because they give us details about once living old plant. We call them stone fossils. Dear students, thank you for watching. Wishing you the best of luck.